check out what we were given. We were giving DeWalt battery style 20 volt, and these are 6 amp an hour batteries. Now when you first get this and pull this out and look at it, the very first thing you get is your charger. Comes with the cord. It even comes with instructions on it, but check this out. It comes with 2 batteries. And when you pull these things out, they have everything that you need. Right there is your charge. So you can push that button and you can see it comes pretty well charged as it is. Just need to charge it a little bit more. But as you can see, we've got this 20 volt right here, and it hooks up. And you can hear it works. Everything about them is really nice. They're really solid case construction. They've got screws on it, so they are rebuildable if you would need to be rebuilt. But if you are in need to replace some 20 volt batteries that you have for your DeWalt style tools, or maybe even your DeWalt tools, then get some of these.